Dear friends, this is Srinivasan, who is having more than 30 years experiences in the construction industries, trying to present you techniques for compressive test and cube test. How to do a this is the image, wherein I explained it. The below image how the concrete for a various grade of a concrete, how the CTM machine looks around, ranging from 7 days to 50 used for checking the compressive strength of a concrete, cube test, procedures, apparatus and results. Concreting being the major consumable material, after water makes it quite inquisitive in its nature. The strength of the concreting is majorly derived from aggregates, whereas cement and sand contribute binding and workability along with the flowability of the concreting. This is the image of a slump cone, wherein we check what is the slump and everything. This is the image of the cube molds, and this is the image of the CTM machine, in which we check the compressive strength of the cubes. In this test, the push power applied on the two essence of solid examples and the greatest pressure that solid bears without disappointment is noted. See how the compression forces act. This image will explain you the compression from both the sides. Compression force is the force that squeezes material together, or pushing force applied on two faces of the specimens. Solid testing causes us significantly concentrate on the compressive quality of the cement, since it encourages to measure the capacity of cement to oppose compressive worries among structures, whereas different anxieties, for example, pivotal burdens and pliable anxieties, are provided food by fortification and different methods. Compressive strength of the concreting and its importance. As we all know that the concreting is a mixture of sand, cement and aggregate. The strength of the concreting depends upon many factors like individual compressive strength of its constituents, cement, sand and aggregates. Quality of material used, air entertainment mix proportion, water cement ratio, curing method and temperature effects. Compressive strength gives an idea of the overall strength and above mentioned factors. Through conducting this test, one can easily judge the concreting strength PSI and quality of concreting produced. Factors affecting the compressive strength of the concreting. Coarse aggregate. Concreting is made of homogeneous by joining aggregates, concrete, sand, water and different admixtures. Yet, even with a legitimate blending, there may be emerge some micro cracks because of contrast in warm and mechanical properties of coarse aggregates and concreting lattice, which prompts disappointment of cement. Solid technologies through the hypothetical ideas with respect to measure of aggregates, which as the size of the total being the significant given in the compressive quality. So in the event that the size of the aggregate is expanded, at that point it would less lead expanded compressive quality. The hypothesis was later disposed of, as analysis demonstrated that more noteworthy size of aggregates indicated expanded quality in starting stages, yet diminished exponentially. The sole purpose behind this quality drop was because of the decreased surface territory for bond quality between concrete lattice and totals, that means aggregate, more fragile change zone. Air entertainment. Air entertainment is concrete was one of the idea created by Chile nation so as to forestall harms because of freezing and defrosting. Later on, as experimentations demonstrated multi-dimensional advantages of air entertainment alongside improved the functionality of cement at lower water concrete proportion. As the accomplishment of the idea, functionally at lower water content, helped one to accomplish concreting with the more noteworthy compressive quality, which thus prompts light cement with more prominent compressive quality. Water cement ratio. We are in the whole extremely mindful of how abundant water can be hurtful to the quality of the cement. Concreting being significant restricting material in solid needs water for hydration measure. However, that is just restricted to about 0.2 to 0.25 percentage of concreting substance. The overburdened water ends up being gainful in adding to usefulness and completing of cement. The very perspective where abundant water is viewed as hurtful on the grounds that as the water in the solid network dries, it leaves enormous interstitial spaces among aggregates and concreting grains. This industrial space gets essential breaks during compressive quality testing of the cement. Why we do test the concreting for 7 days, 14 days and 28 days? Solid additions greatest quality at 28 days. Since in development segment, incredible measures of a capital is a question, so as to oppose to checking quality at 28 days, we can check quality regarding solid quality pounds per square inch at 7 and 14 days to foresee the objective quality of the development work. From the adjoining table, obviously concreting increases 16% of its quality inside 24 hours, while solid additions 65% of the objective quality when 7 days of its projecting. Till 14 days, solid shows 90% of the objective quality, and from that point, the increase in quality eases back down and it takes 28 days to accomplish 99% solidarity. We cannot pass judgment on the quality of cement until it gets steady. Furthermore, we likewise won't trust that 28 days will pass judgment on the solid, whether it is appropriate for the development or not to keep it adjusted. Concrete is tried at different spans. Age in days. Percentage of strength. 1 day 16%, 3 days 40%, 7 days 65%, 14 days 90%, 21 days 94%, 28 days 90%. The maximum strength gain spike is observed till 14 days. So we test concreting at an intervals of 7 days, 10 days and 14 days. If concrete fails to show result of 90% of its overall strength on 14 days, then that batching is rejected. Compressive strength of different grades of concreting at 7, 14, 21 and 28 days shown in the adjoining table. Concreting grade. Compressive strength neutron per mm square at 3 days. Concreting strength neutron per mm square at 7 days, and it goes on up to 28 days. M10, that is 6.5 and 9 and 10. M15, 6, 9.75, 13.5 and 15. M20, 8, 13, 18 and 20. That is the neutron per millimeter square. Or M25 gains 10, 16.25 at the rate of 10 days, 14 days at 22.5, 25 in 28 days. M30, 12 in 3 days, 19.5 in 7 days, 27 in 14 days and 30 in 28 days. M35, 14 neutron per mm square at 3 days, 22.75 neutron per mm square on 7 days, 31.5 neutron per millimeter square on 14 days and 35 neutron per mm square on 28th day. So like this, every concreting getting its strength ranging from 3 days to 20. Compressive strength testing of concrete. The test is carried out using 150 mm concreting cubes on compressive testing machine apparatus. As per IS 516, compressive testing machine, that is a 2000 kilonewton, 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter steel cube molds or cylinder having dia 15 centimeter and length 30 centimeters are used. Cube mold image is as follows. The test procedure as follows. Planning of material for cube test. All the material must be bought and put at temperature of 27 plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius. Concreting must be constantly blended in with a trowel. Altogether there exist no irregularities. Blending of cement. Machine blending. The fixing must not be turned out for more over 2 minutes and the accompanying example must be followed. 1. Greater than calculated water. 2. Greater than 50% of coarse aggregate. 3. Greater than fine aggregates. 4. Cement 5 to 50% and coarse aggregates. Dry blending of fine totals, that means total aggregates, and cement. Addition of coarse aggregates with the even distribution. Addition of determined water in clump till consistency. Casting of specimen. These molds are made of cast iron and should be scoured with oil on inward side. The sample must be projected in 3 layers, 5 centimeters each, and appropriately compacted all together that honeycombing development doesn't happen. Compaction. In compacting through packing bar, 35 strokes must be done for legitimate compacting. This packing bar is to be 16 mm and length of 0.6 meter. Period of test. The block test for compressive quality should be possible on 1, 3, 77, 14 and 28 days. It is compulsory to have 3 samples for testing from various batches. This means of compressive quality accomplished by this sample is utilized to decide the real quality of the concreting. Method for compressive quality of cement or cube test. Place the concreting cubes in the cube mold. When it's test, after 24 hours remove the concrete from the cubes. Keep the test example lowered or submerged in the water for a specified times. As reference, the example must be kept in water for 7, 14 or 28 days. Ensure that the sample must be dried before putting it on the UTM. Weight of test is noted as to continue with the testing and it must not be under 8.1 kg. Testing examples are put in the space between bearings. The concreting cubes are placed on a bearing plate and aligned properly with the center of thrust in the testing machine plates. The loading must be applied axially on specimen without any shock and increased at the rate of 140 kg per square centimeter minimum till the specimen collapses. Due to the constant application of the load, the specimen starts cracking at a point and a final breakdown of the specimen must be noted. Image of the CTM machine is as follows. Calculations. Compressive strength of the concreting formula. The compressive strength of specimen can be calculated by dividing maximum load carried by the specimen by cross-sectional areas of the specified cubes. Compressive strength of the concrete is equal to maximum load carried by the specimen divided by top surface area of the specimen. The surface of the specimen is equal to 150 by 150, that is 22,500 mm square or 225 centimeter square. This is the image of explaining the top surface area, etc., etc. Assume the maximum compression load is 450 kilonewton. 1 kilonewton is equal to 1000 neutron. So 450 kilonewton is equal to 450 into 100 is equal to 45,000 neutrons. Compressive strength of the concreting is equal to 4,50,000 divided by 22,500 is equal to 20 neutron per mm square. The same calculation is done for a specimen at different ages as stated below. Details: specimen 1 7 days, specimen 2 14 days, specimen 3 28 days. Maximum load that specimen bore. Assume test result in kilonewton: 310 kilonewton, 408 kilonewton and 445 kilonewton. This is the compressive strength. In neutron per mm square, 3,10,000 divided by 22,500 is equal to 13.7 neutron per mm square. 4,08,000 divided by 2250 is equal to 18.13 neutron per mm square. 4,48,000 divided by 2250 is equal to 19 neutron per mm square. As we assumed M20 grade mix bar a maximum load of 20 neutron per mm square. Minimum strength will be achieved at different days. 65% in 7 days, 90% in 14 days, 99% in 28 days. Percentage of concrete gain. Test result: 13.7 into 100 divided by 20, that is 68.5, greater than 65, that is on 14 days. 18.13 into 100 divided by 20 is equal to 90.6, that is a 90% in 14 days. 19.9 into 100 divided by 20 is equal to 99.1, that is a 99% in 28 days. A good concreting should not show less than the minimum compressive strength at respective days. Hence, concreting is safe to use. Important notes: as per IS 516, minimum 3 specimens to be tested at each selected age. That means 3 specimens at 7 days, 3 specimens at 14 days and 28 days. If strength of the any specimens varies more than 15% of average strength, such specimens should be rejected. Result of the cube test: average compressive strength at 7 days, Newton per mm square. The average compressive strength at 28 days, Newton per mm square. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. Contact me civilconclave@gmail.com or at my telegram groups, Ask Srini telegram groups. The link is as follows. Thank you once again for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and motivate me for a further presentations.